this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. You know how much I truly appreciate each of you. Now, today, guys, I am very super excited because this video is kicking off the Christmas Holiday Mix series that I am co-hosting with a beautiful group of ladies pictured here. So this collaboration is a 4-week series. So each Friday, we will be showing you guys ideas, tips, tricks, and inspiration on how to create a festive holiday home. So I hope that you will join us each Friday in this collaboration. Now, for this week's video, we are giving you 3 tips on how to make your home festive for the holiday season. So as you can see, I am bringing in the festive cheer with my holiday hat in front of my holiday decor. So yes, guys, this is the most wonderful time of the year, and so we want to share with you all how to create a special environment in your home for your family to celebrate this holiday season. We know things are a little bit different for everyone this year, but we still want to make it the best we can. So let's hop right into these 3 tips that I have to share with you guys on how to make your home more festive for the holiday season. Ambient lighting is important in creating a warm and inviting space and really truly ushering in the holiday season. So here I have a display on my coffee table, and I'm using some LED candles to create a very warm and ambient look, and I think it is the perfect display. And I used a variety of candle heights to give this vignette some visual interest. And then in the background you will see I have the trees there, and there's also lights in the ornament garland on the television stand. So I have really brought in some really nice ambient lighting for this space for our family to enjoy this holiday season. Another tip in making your home more festive for the holiday season is bringing in some of these seasonal scents. And so here I'm showing you guys 3 options to make your home smell and feel festive for the holiday season. My first option is I like to use the Febreze wax melts here, and here's my wax melt holder, and this scent is Jolly Pine. So I grew up having live Christmas trees, but you know, nowadays those aren't as practical, and so but I do still enjoy having the scent of a live tree in my home. So this is perfect to bring in the scent of a live tree, even though I use artificial ones. So that is one option, to use your scent warmers. Another option is to use a beautiful candle. Now this is one that I picked up from Kirkland's a couple of years ago, and it's called Merry and Bright, and I do love this because this is one of their signature soy candles. So it's in a beautiful packaging and it smells amazing. And lastly, another way to bring in the festive scent is to make your own simmer pot. So I just have a few items here that most everyone probably has in their home already. And if not, they're items that are very inexpensive that you can pick up at the grocery store. And so I have orange slices here. I have dried cranberries, which I would prefer to use fresh cranberries, but dried will work just as well. I have a couple of bay leaves, a couple of star anise, and you want the whole star anise, and cinnamon sticks. And you just add all of these items into your pot and to create a simmer pot for your home, and it will make everything smell absolutely amazing. So as you can see, we'll just put those in the pot and then you just let it simmer on your stove. And lastly, another way to make your home more festive for the holidays is to create a comfortable, cozy space next to a fire. If you're lucky enough to have a fireplace, this is the perfect time of the year to utilize your fireplace and really enjoy the ambient light from the flickering fire and the warmth of the fire on a cold winter night. Now here I've created a cozy space by moving my chair right close to the fireplace, and I've included a beautiful throw blanket that is perfect for cozying up on the winter's night with a beautiful Christmas pillow. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video and these tips that I've shared on how to make your home more festive for the holiday season. If you have, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. Again, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you would go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Also, be sure to check my description box down below for the playlist of everyone that is participating in this collaboration. Myself and the co-hosts will be participating each week, and we will have special appearances from some of our favorite YouTube sisters. You all know them, and we all call ourselves the Dream Team. So each week, different Dream Team members will be joining us in the collaboration. So this is something you don't want to miss, guys. So be sure to have your notification bells set so that you don't miss any videos. Of course, for my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.